Hey Simon, I've just pretty much spent my whole night with Lauren, and I'm gonna go watch Pokemon, so I'm just gonna say a few things really quick. First thing I'd like to say is when I went shopping at Costco today, I met this big asshole. He was such a jerk. Like I was just like leaning over to him. He was one of the stand dudes, give a little food, and it was like cinnamon cake or something. I lean over and I'm like, I might need one. I might need to snatch one of those. And he said he's still preparing it, but I was kind of kidding. I'm just like, I might need to grab one of those. And I didn't even start reaching for it. And he's just like, you can wait your turn. It's called manners. It's like, but he's such a jerk about it. He's so stern. But anyway, I'm gonna go watch Pokemon now. And I feel like an idiot because I'm in my bathroom talking to a camera. So, yeah, the same as Psychos of the 85. Oh yeah, and I tried posting last week, my video got rejected. And that's segments of me getting my room ready. And, well, I guess I'll start playing that in random segments so my videos don't get rejected again, because that really pissed me off. But anyway, I love you, Lauren. And for the rest of you, see my room really quick. You might get a glimpse of my brother, though. This is my room. Okay, I'm done here. Here's some clips of my pet bird. Chewing my glasses, are you? You're gonna regret that. Man, you can't get enough of that. You know what? You know what? I think I'm gonna give him his Speed Racer car. Hey Charlie, I'm gonna go get your Speed Racer car. Good thing I washed my hands so I can get him this turbo. Oh, collect all 5 turbo cars? Now I don't know if it's on the side or in the cereal. Well, I did wash my hands. Why do they do this? Nothing. Hold on. This is my bird Teddy. He likes my glasses. He also likes French toast. No, that's Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Here. Teddy. What's that? Oh, you still want the glasses? Where'd they go? Oh. Cinnamon Toast time. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there they are. Oof. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? No. My glasses. Why don't you eat cereal? Yum! Tasty. Hey Teddy. Say hello to the camera. Are we afraid of the camera? Do you not like the camera? Here. What's that? What's that? What's that?